to look at me with your well-13 that I was in me prime. Me clothes are torn and me shoes are worn and me ages for mine. Oh, I had friends and pals galore, but alas, those days have passed. And the only one that I have now is a poor old shook old lass. Oh, a kind old friend and a true old pal was this old lass to me. Many's the night he brought me home when I was on the spree. Though he's highly bred, he's badly fed, for I don't own much grass. He's a harem scare him, a devil may care of a great big Roman ass. I bought this sass for £0.5 some 20 years ago, with chance to meet up on the street at the fair of Ballinasloe. He took me high, he looked so fly, with skin as smooth as glass. And till I paid down the old £0.5 and sailed home with me ass. Oh, a kind old friend and a true old pal is all that's to me. Many the night he brought me home when I was on the spree. Though he's highly bred, he's badly fed, for I don't own much class. He'll harem scare him, a devil may care him, a great big Roman lass. Oh, I'll never forget the day we met at the fair of Ballinasloe. Uphill and down through street and town, to the pair of us did go. And to the part will break my heart, for no one could take his place. And telling what I think of him, till I think it know his face. Oh, a kind old friend and a true old pal was this all as to me. Oh, many's the night he brought me home when I was on the spree. Though he's highly bred, he's badly fed, for Robbie don't own much class. He'll hear him, scare him, a devil may care him, a roaring fine jacket.